been talking about blockchains in general and some of the aspects to them. But a lot of this I've been relating back to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a first generation blockchain. The blockchains of the future are going to be much more advanced. They are not just capable of handling just a single currency transaction. They're capable of running applications, right? So think about the applications on your phone, think about the applications on your computer. This is going to change the way we interface. It's going to change the way we view applications as a whole and how they're used. What we call them is decentralized applications, DApps. And DApps live on a blockchain. So the underlying architecture is the blockchain. The decentralized application is able to be built into that, so that the logic and the computations that take place and the smart contracts, as a lot of people like to call them, allow for more complex processing and more complex outcomes that we know can be trusted because it is incorporated into a distributed ledger, right? But the applications of tomorrow are going to be the ones which the blockchain has penetrated every aspect of your life, and now you just expect that whatever it is you're using is actually running on a blockchain, right? So a good example of decentralized application, advanced decentralized application, is a DApp that we're creating at eXeBlock, which is for charitable organizations. So a problem that a lot of organizations have when they run 50-50 draws is that they have to go through auditing. It's really difficult to run the events. They got to collect all the money, and sometimes at larger events, they have applications that are out there already, which take huge percentages in order to use their application. Take, for example, like at a hockey game, like a Leafs game, right? So you go to a Leafs game, there's a 50-50 draw going on, and somebody's going around collecting, and you're basically having a 50-50 draw that's going to go to some charitable organization, but it's limited also to that event, right? So the amount that they can collect is very, very limited. So there's all these problems involved in the 50-50. Now, what do? You put a blockchain to it, and you put a decentralized application, and now you make it so that it becomes decentralized and public, and allow for organizations to utilize that in their 50-50 draws.